This week I got asked about sharing videos on Instagram. So I'm going to go through a few different options. So this person wanted to create a video every week sharing their expertise and share it on Instagram, and wanted to know how they would do that. So I'm gonna go through that with you. I'm going to share my screen with you from my phone because one of the things about Instagram is so here on the screen you can see my desktop version, but you can't actually post on Instagram from your desktop. You can only post on Instagram from your phone. So I'm going to do it on my phone, but I'm going to share the screen with you so that you can see what it is that I'm doing. So on Instagram on your phone, on the mobile app, this is Build It Brilliant on my app. So what I do is I share an image. So in the YouTube video that I did, I shared with you how I create a thumbnail image. So as you can see from my Instagram, what I do is I share the thumbnail image with a post. The other interesting thing about Instagram is you can't share links. So what I do is here you can see my profile. So at the minute I've got the link to the book launch, but you can edit the profile, and this is where you can have one link. So here in the middle, just here, where the cursor is the website link. So you can change the bio as often as you like and put the link in. So part of this is what I do with the AMA is I've created on YouTube that you can see here. I've created a playlist for the AMA videos. So part of the question that was asked was, would you use YouTube? And I would use YouTube because it's a place to keep all your videos together in a nice playlist, and then you can have the link to that playlist that you can then share on your Facebook and Instagram. So for me, YouTube I think is a really good option. So I've created a playlist called Ask Me Anything Videos.
In this
my
video,
head.
I'm going to show you how to
Stop talking. So these are all the AMA videos, for example, and then all of them, as you can see, have a thumbnail image, and it's that image that I then put a link to. I then share this link if I'm sharing the AMA videos, and put, for all my AMA videos, visit here. And then on my post, I would share the thumbnail image, and then as you can see here, this video's been released, and then I put, the link is in the bio. Or if you don't want to do that, because sometimes I want that link for something else. So at the moment it's going to my book launch, for example. So then I've just put search Build It Brilliant on YouTube and give this a watch. So I've just told people to go to YouTube to find them on there. The other option that you could do is that Instagram will let you record 60-second videos on your phone and upload them into Instagram. So if you didn't want to do what I do and share the image, what you could do is record a little 60-second intro on your phone, upload that saying, hey, this video's just launched, this is what I'm doing, and share that to your Instagram. So 2 ways to do it. You could create a thumbnail image and share that, and then tell people to go to YouTube or have a look for the link in your bio, or you could record a little 60-second video on your phone, upload that, and then send them either to YouTube or the bio. So I hope that's helped.